I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back. This is Skylyfe Projects. Happy Monday and good morning. Over here at Dyno Comp, as you can see in the background right there. And today we're going to be putting my car on the dyno. My 21 Honda Civic Type R is going on the dyno here. Going to see what numbers it actually makes now with the Mishimoto front mount intercooler, full bolt-on Type R, stock fuel, running on 91. So no flex fuel kit yet. Might be doing that, but we'll see what happens, see what numbers it makes, and you guys hopefully we hit a home run this time, you know, because the other two haven't been so hot. So let's see what it does today. Maybe third time's a charm. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll show you the car on the dyno, show you the graphs, the boost. I'm going to show you the AFR. I'm going to show you obviously the horsepower, the torque it makes, everything at the wheel. So alright, y'all, I'll keep you posted. And also before we start this video, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. Welcome back, guys. Here's another video. Here we go.
Yeah, so no, you're hitting.
Yeah.
Like it's
there.
Yeah, so
it does
you're
hit-
over boosting a little bit right here, just by like maybe half a pound.
That's where it's supposed to be, right?
But yeah, but then boost drops down a little bit right there. But I mean, power turn's still fine. You know, you level out a little bit right here, but it's still hold a ball. You know, it's not.
Alright y'all, so that was it. That was the dyno run. 363 was the max wheel horsepower, and then almost 351 pound-feet. So I'll send the log over to John at Faribault. I'll let him know what it's doing, and yeah, that's it for now until I try a different tune, you guys. But if you guys did like the video, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. We over here at Dyno Comp, Scottsdale, and Raintree. Until next time, guys, always put your best foot forward. Never hesitate for a damn thing. Live life the way you want to, at the very fullest. Skylyfe, y'all. Much love.
Money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win. Posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounded. Fill my cup up for the